Establish process. To access the Lines of Position function, select the Manually Fix Position panel from the multi-panel display. You can make up to 6 LOPs, either by bearing, by distance, or by bearing and distance. Establishing via bearing. If you want to use a bearing to establish the first LOP, click the bearing button and enter the measured data. You can put a name in the text box and click Apply. The bearing line with a timestamp will be displayed as blinking red on the chart, and the reference point is the ship's position. Move and reference function. To connect the LOP with the chosen reference object, click the Move and Reference button. The bearing line will now be connected to the cursor. Move it to the observed fixed object and drop it with a click. Establishing via distance. To establish the second LOP using distance, click the number 2 LOP button, then select distance, and enter the measured data in the distance input box. If the automatic jump to new LOP radio button has been activated, the next LOP will be available directly after clicking Apply. The distance circle with timestamp is displayed as blinking red. Click again the number 2 LOP button and click Move and Reference button to move the center point of the distance circle to the reference object. Click again to drop it. Establish via bearing distance. Another method for creating an LOP is via bearing distance. Click on it, enter the measured data, and click Apply. A red distance circle and a bearing line with a timestamp will blink in the chart. Move and drop the center point to the reference object, as previously explained. Snap function. If you've activated the snap function, the reference point of the LOP will automatically move to the closest conspicuous object on the chart within a range of 0.5 nautical mile. Accept a position fix. To accept the position fix that results from the 2 LOPs, click Accept Position. When the vessel is navigating in dead reckoning mode, it will move automatically to the accepted position. Otherwise, dead reckoning mode can be activated later in the Sensors task panel. The Set by Cursor function can be used to move the vessel to the correct position. Position offset. You can manually enter a position offset for each DGPS in the Sensors task panel. Click in the Offset box, enter the required values, then confirm with the Enter key, and the own ship will be moved to the corrected position. Use the Set Offset By and select Cursor to move the vessel by cursor instead. To cancel the position offset, click Cancel Offset.